This is a teardown of a Sonicwall TZ 170 10 node firewall, model APL11-029. And looks like we got a total of 5 ports plus WAN and OptiZone and a serial console port, which I like to see. This is held together with some T10 screws. Of course, there's one hidden under the warranty seal. It's your run-of-the-mill clamshell housing. Well, it does have a metal bracket over the ports around them. Interesting. A lot of passive components. Oh my goodness, so many. Service mount capacitors and resistors everywhere. And main processor is powered by Sonicwall. Who'd have thunk? Man, just look at all these capacitors and resistors. And not sure what those are. U usually means IC chip, so I don't remember what U actually stands for, but usually it's some sort of chip. Got 2 things of Micron Technologies memory, older logo. I wonder if that's DDR or SD-RAM. Do have a clock battery there, which I do need to remove before recycling. So might as well do that now. There we go. Unfortunately, it's soldered, so if it dies, you're going to be in for a bad time. I don't know why anybody would use this anymore, though. It's so old that has handwritten stuff on it. Looks like all the networking stuff is handled by Broadcom chips. Got a teeny tiny bit of power regulation going on there. And we got a little Toshiba flash chip for the boot image. And this must be the serial chip for controlling the console port. Made by Texas Instruments. See if I can focus on that. 5E3RYT. Although it might be the MAX 3243C. Hard to say. But yeah, wow. Just everything on top. There's really nothing on the bottom. Bottom's pretty clean other than some through-hole stuff. It looks like there would have been a provision for a CF card there. I don't know how many pins the CF card has, but that looks like about the right amount. And it's not too uncommon to see CF cards as the boot flash storage for security appliance like this. But they went with onboard. But yeah, kind of neat. Wasn't expecting all these passives surrounding everything. It's almost like they told themselves, I paid for the board, I'm going to use the whole board. Not too much stuff is not populating. Got something here that they could have populated. Something here. Kind of almost looks like those are indicating speaker would have went there. Well, then SP. So maybe some sort of buzzer. A switch. I don't know if they would have put here. That would have been interesting. But does look like there's actually a spot for another port. Maybe modem. Maybe this is designed to be able to also do modem stuff. Maybe DSL connectivity. But yeah, either way, it's kind of fun to look at. And hopefully that was interesting. And thanks for watching.